Hi guys, Shell once again from Saladmaster here in Perth, and today I want to show you how to make an easy cheesy quinoa with broccoli using our 3/4 roaster. Okay, so what you need to do is just put a cup of quinoa, 2 cups of vegetable stock. What you need to do is cover it, put it on medium heat and cook for about 15 minutes, and then later we'll add the rest of the ingredients. Now in the middle of the cooking, just add the seasonings, salt, pepper, and paprika. And just mix it. Cover it again. While waiting for our quinoa, let's grate some cheese using cone number 1 of our Saladmaster machine. Once the quinoa is cooked, after 15 minutes, add the broccoli. And just cook it for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, this is how it looks like. And then turn off the heat and time to add our cheese. And that residual heat will melt the cheese. After 5 minutes, the cheese is melted and this is how it looks like. It's time for us to taste our quinoa with broccoli. Yum. Thanks for watching. Now if you like this video, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Bye!